Welcome to Introduction to IT Project Management. In this course, we'll explore how to plan, execute, and deliver IT solutions successfully. Here's what we'll cover in this course. What is IT project management? The project lifecycle and its phases. Project planning and scope. Risk management. Agile and traditional methodologies. Team and stakeholder management. Monitoring, control, and closure. And finally, IT-specific challenges and tools. IT project management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling IT projects to achieve specific goals within defined constraints of time, cost, and scope. Remember the iron triangle: delivering within scheduled deadlines, staying within the approved budget, and meeting all agreed requirements. Did you know 66% of IT projects fail to meet their goals? On average, projects experience 27% cost overruns and 56% go over schedule. Good IT project management provides clear goals, better team coordination, proactive risk identification, measurable outcomes, optimized resources, and faster delivery with higher satisfaction. The IT project lifecycle has 5 phases. Initiation, where you define the project charter and stakeholders. Planning, for scheduling, budgeting, and risk planning. Execution, where the team implements tasks and assures quality. Monitoring, to track progress and resolve issues. And closure, with final delivery and documentation. Effective planning includes a project charter, a scope statement, work breakdown structure, Gantt chart, and a resource plan. SMART objectives are crucial. Set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Risk management involves identifying, analyzing, planning for, and monitoring risks. Use a risk matrix to assess impact and choose strategies. Avoid, mitigate, transfer, or accept risks. Common IT risks include scope creep, security breaches, technology changes, and staff turnover. There are 2 main approaches: the structured waterfall model, which is well documented but inflexible, and Agile or Scrum, which is flexible and customer-focused but requires a strong team and can risk scope creep. Agile values individuals, working software, customer collaboration, and adapting to change. Key IT project roles include the project manager, business analyst, system architect, developers, QA engineers, and Scrum Master. Manage stakeholders using a power interest grid to keep them satisfied, informed, or closely managed, depending on their influence and interest. Monitor projects with key performance indicators like schedule and cost variance, and indices for schedule and cost performance. Use a change control process for managing changes. At closure, ensure all deliverables are handed over. Documentation is archived, lessons learned are captured, and a post-implementation review is scheduled. It projects face challenges such as scope creep, technical debt, integration failures, vendor issues, cybersecurity risks, and talent gaps. Popular tools include Jira, Microsoft Project, Asana, Trello for planning, Slack, Teams, Zoom for communication, and GitHub, Jenkins, Docker for version control and DevOps. To sum up, IT project management is a structured approach using defined processes. The triple constraint of scope, time, and cost is foundational. The project lifecycle guides execution, and risk management is proactive. Choose the right methodology and engage stakeholders for success. Remember, a project without a plan is just a wish.